Well, that bounty's gone. Time to hit the hay. Ugh. Oh, where am I? Oh, hi.
Hello, Leon. So, my world is being under attack by a person named Justin. And lucky you, you've been chosen, and out of other people, beat him.
Sorry, other people?
Not there yet.
Ugh. Where am I?
Oh my god, thank god you're here. Thank god you're here. There's spiders everywhere. There's spiders, they're like mutants, I need your help.
Okay. Slow down. Sorry. Playing now.
There's spiders here, crawling everywhere, and they're here to attack us.
Wait, you hear that sound? He's right there. Come on, spider. Let him get up, Here, I'll take out his head. He's gone. Okay.
So basically, there's people exactly like us. Like how you got here in a dream. I also came here by a dream.
So what was that spider thing? And you're welcome for helping you, by the way.
There's these mutants that have been attacking us for years. We haven't been able to defeat them, and there's still some here around here, somewhere. But we have a secret bunker that we go there sometimes if it depends on how many spiders there are. And there seems like there's a lot, so we might go there later.
But why do I have my sword again? The last time I saw this thing or touched it was when I was bounty hunting, and I did not have this at all.
Everyone here starts off with that sword. Because that's the only type of protection that we can get easily here. Other protections like this or my bow, we get that from wood. There's barely any wood here.
Are you an archer or something? Because you look like an archer.
Yeah.
Well, can you show me this safe place? I'd like to meet the others.
Sure.
Alright.
Okay. Gotta jump up here real quick. I'm gonna enter the passcode.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, this is Ivar the Viking.
How's it going? I'm Leon the Samurai. Alright. So I'm assuming you also got here from that dream too? I just came back from like a giant war. Did you guys? Because I noticed that some of us are like really cool and like really cool and powerful. I mean, we all kind of look worn out. So how long have you been here?
Maybe like 2.5 years.
I just got here today. So, but this Justin guy, you guys keep talking about him. Is there a way we can stop him? Is there like somebody you know?
Maybe.
You guys know somebody?
Yeah.
How about that bounty over there on the wall? It says last seen in mountains. Should we go check and see if they would help us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Whoa. Okay, so this is a big place. Do you know where he is?
No.
Wait, Levi?
Leon?
You're here?
Yeah.
I thought you were done with war.
I know.
I thought you were done.
I just got here like 5 minutes ago. What are you talking about?
I got here today also.
When?
Dude, you lied
No,
to me. You
no,
thought we were going. You said you were done with war.
I said I was gonna see if I was gonna be done with war. I didn't want to, but then
Well, I didn't want to either. Wait, where'd they go?
what
Yo.
You
the?
got your friends now. What are you gonna do? Huh? You gonna attack me with
I say
your
we get 'em.
samurai sword?
Yeah.
You're weak. You're nothing, buddy.
Whoa, look who it is.
Hey, I just met them today, but you still got my friends.
I'm gonna snap
let's
your
go.
neck.
Does it look like I care if I got your friends? No.
No, but you're gonna care. Come at us.
Ah!
You son of a bitch.
Ah, no!
Leave us
Leon! Ah!
for that one. Get up there.
Nowhere to run. Ow. There's nowhere to run.
Come at.
You should have never done that, bitch. Come on, you idiots. Nice try, kiddo. Come on, go. I haven't got all day. Go, you two.